All right, let's look at number 12. It says Stella received a package in the shape of a rectangular prism. The box has a length of 2.5, width of 1.5, height of 4. Stella wants to cover the box with wrapping paper. Well, we talked about that on a previous problem. If you're covering something, and I even gave the exact example of wrapping paper, we have to find surface area, which means you have to find the area of all 6 sides of the box. The box is going to have 6 sides, and you have to find the area of all 6. How much paper will she need? Well, so remember, to solve this problem, we have to do the 2.5, and I can rewrite that as 2.5, times the 1.5, and then since there will be a front and a back, I have to multiply that answer by 2. I have to multiply the 2.5 by the 4. And since there will be a bottom and a top, I have to multiply that answer by 2. And then the only things I haven't multiplied yet of these 3 is the 1.5 times the 4. And since there is a right and a left side, you multiply by 2. So you're going to get these answers and then add them all up for surface area. And that will be how much paper she will need. Explain how you found your answer, and you could put in words, although I showed it mathematically, but you could put in words. I found the area of the front and then multiplied it by 2 to cover the back, found the area of the top, multiplied it by 2 to cover the bottom, found the area of the right side, multiplied that by 2 to cover the right side, added those all up to cover the entire box. Can the box hold 16 cubic feet of packing peanuts? Explain how you know. Okay, so since you're trying to fill the box, you're trying to fill out how much it can hold, and it also says cubic feet, you're looking for volume. And the formula for volume, yet again, so don't forget this, volume is length times width times height. They gave you the length, 2.5. They gave you the width, 1.5. And they gave you the height, 4. Multiply this out and see if you get 16 or less, right? Or excuse me, or more. You need to get 16 or more, because if it's the answer ends up being like 18, well then yeah, it could hold 16. There would be some empty space, but it could hold 16. So if your answer is 16 or more, then you can fit that much. If the answer is 15 or less, then you're not going to be able to fit 16 cubic feet. How do you know? We found the volume of the box. We found out how many cubic feet can fit inside the box. Whenever you find volume, that's what you're finding. How many cubic feet, in this case feet, fit inside this particular box. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.